Okay, we got to talk about the top 5 content creator income streams. Most creators have one income stream, and truthfully, they're one algorithm change away from being completely broke. In 2026, the real monetization menu has AdSense and platform payouts at the very bottom. Let's talk about how you can make money as a creator. What's up, creators? Today I want to get into these income streams and how you can actually be profitable. I'm not giving you no extra fluff. We got to get into it because if you're going to take the affiliate route, partnerships, digital products, even doing revenue shares, high ticket sales, these are all some high level income streams that you can really take advantage of. But first, we got to understand that monetization can happen at any stage in your creator journey. I was able to make money online, my first money online, when I first started online. Like, it didn't take me years or anything. It took me like a week or two, and I was profitable. Sponsorships, brand deals started flowing in super easily. So I know this is very possible. You don't need to have a massive, massive audience. Really, what you need to have is a understanding of the creator economy and what the monetization income streams are for you as a creator. They really differ based on your industry and your market. For example, referral networks and affiliate marketing are not really the same thing. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote a product or service and you get paid a percentage whenever somebody buys. With referral networks, when you continue to refer, you usually get more for that. It's kind of like the high ticket sales thing some people get into. But even then, with those, I don't want you to get trapped in that. It's a good thing to start with so you can make some money, be profitable, but it's not something you as a founder, as a content creator, should be married to. Because the truth is, having your own products, your own services is how you can be the most profitable. One of the best income streams is high level consulting. This is the high ticket, profitable service where you're delivering a very valuable transformation. This is not the crappy consulting where you just regurgitate information from online. When you can deliver a transformation to somebody one on one in a virtual setting or in person, they will pay you a lot of money for that transformation. That's why some trainers can charge thousands of dollars because they're helping somebody transform their mind, their habits, like their lifestyle, what they eat, how they work out, their sleep habits, their body, how they look in the mirror. Like trainers can make a lot of money for that exact reason. Same thing with marketers when they can come in and help a business go from this 1% conversion rate to 5 or 6, the difference could be thousands and thousands of dollars. So if you can deliver transformation, that high level, high ticket consulting is going to work for you. Now, equity deals is a very interesting thing. This is something I'm into with my other brand, Next Round Ready, and I got some big stuff I'm working on in this space. But this is essentially you staking sometimes your sweat equity, sometimes your skills and what you know, what you can do. You put that in instead of money, and you can get paid out cash for that. And there are a lot of startups that do this. I think a lot of creators could actually benefit because nobody tries this. Think about it. If you're a creator and you're successful at building YouTube channels and you've done this a lot, you can go to some startups and say, hey, I'll help build your channel for your brand, and I just get this percentage of equity. And it will sound crazy to a lot of people, but there are a lot of founders who hear you out. I've had these conversations when it comes to podcasting because that's where I have most of my experience, my skills. I've launched a bunch of shows, grown, all of that stuff. I've gotten results with podcasts. So I literally have talked to startups about getting equity in their company to launch, manage, produce the podcast and everything like that. It's a possible income stream. Okay, another creative, valuable income stream for content creators to make money online is partnerships. I think this especially works in the beginning when you aren't well known, you don't have a massive brand, you just go to certain people who have high level brands or have high quality products and services, and you sell their stuff for them and you get paid a 20% commission. And this is different from high ticket a little bit because you can do this for makeup, for skincare products. It's so many different levels. And it's also better than affiliate marketing because you usually have a relationship with the owner where it could turn into a paid partnership. So I think partnerships in the beginning are massive. If you don't have a way to make a ton of money, you can be profitable early on without having a big audience by promoting somebody else's products or services that already exist. I think this especially works when you as a content creator can think about who your customer works with before and after you. Think about that. Within this journey, there's a place your customer is before they meet you and a place they go after you work with them. What type of brands are those? Those are the ones you should be working with. One of my favorite examples of this is if I was a barber, I would literally have the skills and the services and the certifications, I guess, to do hair washes. So my clients come in, I could wash their hair. And then I would also sell the hair gel or hair grease with pomade or whatever, wave caps, brushes, combs, beard care. I will sell all of that because if you come in and I need to cut your hair, right? That's the middle thing. Before that, you need your hair washed, maybe, like with the ladies have longer hair, they get it detangled or they're, trimming the edges, whatever it is. And then after your hair is done, we've done all of that stuff, we've done that main service, then you need something to maintain it. That's where you pay for all the other products. It's the same thing online. When you as a content creator come to me, there are things you don't know before you get to me and watch my video, before we talk. And that's the basics, like how does YouTube work and how do I post on TikTok? How do I do green screen? That's like the beginning stage. Then you get here in the middle. After we work together, the next phase for you is in the tools area, right? What tools do I use for this? What I use for that? All of those questions. That's what's answered, and I can be an affiliate and a partner for them. That's how it works. It's an incredible income stream, bro. You gotta lock in on that one. One of my personal favorite income streams as a content creator is public speaking. It's just one of the best things you can do. And a lot of people have this concept that if you're going to get paid as a public speaker, it needs to be something crazy like $50,000 a talk. That's for like the keynote speakers at big, big events in the corporate world. Outside of that, people aren't getting paid those fees every day, bro. It's just not a normal thing. I know somebody probably told you that. It's not the truth. But you can still get paid $1,000 here, 2,500, $5,000 there. It really can add up. It's one of the best income streams because not only do you make money from it because it's an income stream, bro, you get so much credibility. When you go on stage and speak, people are out there listening to you. And if you do a good job, they will invite you back the next year to speak at that annual event. You build so many relationships, you get opportunities. Like I've gotten brand deals from, again, another income stream from public speaking. So while I'm activating one income stream, it activates another one. Oh, and then somebody else in the audience will buy my product. I put a QR code in my slides so they can go and buy the product while I'm on stage talking. Like, that's how these income streams come together, bro. When you have it all lined up and you set your whole business up properly, you will make money as a content creator in your sleep. When you're working on one thing, another income stream is paying you. It's just nonstop. That's the ecosystem I want you to create. So after me going through this whole list of all these different income streams, which one are you most excited to try? Which one do you need help with? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll make sure I'll answer it in the next video. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm Chris. I'll see you next time.